Hi, this is Holland, and I wanted to do a quick video to show you how to do a quick protective hairstyle, especially for postpartum shedding. I had my baby 4 months ago, and shedding started probably around a little bit before 3 months, and I am breastfeeding, so I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but I'll show you what I like to do to protect my hair, decrease shedding, and to still feel cute and confident and protect my hair. So right now I have a satin cap on that I like to sleep with so that my hair is not rubbing on my pillow. And I keep my hair in 2 braids, low maintenance. I wash my hair normally, shampoo, conditioner, deep condition. Right now I am going to oil my hair, my scalp. My favorite oil at the moment right now is the RX Righteous Roots. I'm gonna add a little bit of water. Add a little bit of water too, to seal in the moisture. You can kind of see my hair line is thinned a little bit. I'm also a fan, I have low porosity hair, but I'm a fan of this leave-in detangler by Shea Moisture. So I'll put some of that in. Some oil. I have a Tangle teaser brush. It doesn't pull my hair. It's super soft. I'll usually try to do this every day or every other day. See, so my hair's combed out, and I'll go in with some oil, hit the part, and kind of just use the nozzle to go in between my hair. You can even massage it in. I'm gonna go ahead and put the braid back in. You can do a tight braid or a loose braid, you know, whichever is comfortable for you. As long as it stays. Excuse my 2-year-old. Spray a little bit more water on my ends. Add a little more oil on the ends, just to seal the ends. Okay, and then we're gonna repeat on the other side, and I'll be back. So for the front area, for my edges, I like to use Lovely Bee's Edge Controller. It's all natural and it has a really good hold. So I'll just take a little bit, put it along the edges. It doesn't flake, it doesn't get hard, and it stays all day. I'll go in with the brush, toothbrush in this case, just to smooth it out. But my goal is to, you know, minimize the amount of tension I have on my hair in general, and especially my edges. So with my 2 braids, I'm gonna pin them up with a bobby pin. Just kind of crisscross. I'm gonna crisscross the back area here. So my hair's on the long side, and then use a bobby pin to keep it there. Again, they're loose, not too hard. And my favorite, I don't use glues or combs, you know, anything that can add tension or pull my hair. I use a wigrip. And then I fasten it over my braids in the back. I got this off of Amazon, I think for like 20 bucks. So I have my grip on. It's comfortable. Nothing's, you know, feels pulled. All right, and I make this wig. Right now, it's a wash and go, wavy style. It's nice for, you know, cooler temperature outside if you don't want to wear a wash and go or wet your hair. See? And that is literally it. Not going anywhere. So, with my wig, I'll wash it like once a week with conditioner, co-wash. And I'll let it air dry. Right now I'm just misting it. I put some argan oil on her. You can finger comb her or use the tangle teaser if you want. Spray inside. But again, I don't use any glues, anything. It stays in place all day. It's kid proof, baby proof, love proof, if you know what I mean. And that's it. I can throw her on quick to go to the grocery store, do some errands, or just be cute around the house. My hair is protected underneath. And also, if I'm busy and I need it out the way, if I'm breastfeeding, you just pin her up out of the way. I do have a video on how to make the wig that you can check out. Super easy. See? And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.